Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the font on your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, head over and click on this customize right here. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see your Shopify editor. Now what we need to do next is you can actually just click on a specific element and you can see in here that they have in here their actual settings, like for example, what it will look like, as well as the color scheme, layout, mobile layout, and all of these things right here, as well as this button label. Now, if you want to actually edit out the whole font for your whole website, you can click on the theme settings right here. And in here, you should be able to see these options, like for example, logos, colors, typography, and under your typography, you should be able to see this font. So click on this change right here. And then, for example, let's add in here mono. Now click on select. And then once you have done that, as you can see, all the fonts on your actual website will also change into that specific font style. Next thing you need to do is just click on save right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.